Hi, I'm Flena. Now we are going to talk about concept for absolute value. In this part, you will learn what absolute value is and how to find a number's absolute value. Absolute value describes the distance from zero that a number is on the number line. Without considering direction, we use this symbol to represent the absolute value of A. Let's see the following examples to learn how to find a number's absolute value. The distance from positive 5 to 0 is 5 units. So the absolute value of positive 5 is 5. Hence, this is 5. On the other hand, the distance from negative 5 to 0 is 5 units. So the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. Hence, this is 5. You might find that the absolute value of a number is just the number part without the sign part. So the absolute value of positive 2 is 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Also, you might find that opposite numbers have the same absolute values, like 5 and negative 5, or positive 2 and negative 2. Let's see the following conceptual problems to think further. First, if absolute value of A is equal to absolute value of B, then must A be B? No, like the absolute value of positive 2 equals to the absolute value of negative 2. But positive 2 is not negative 2. So the conclusion you could make is if the absolute value of A equals to the absolute value of B, then A is B or negative B. They have the same number part, but the sign part might be different. Next, is the absolute value of a number always positive? It might be helpful to reconsider the definition. The distance from 0 to that number. Is the distance always positive? No, the distance from 0 to 0 is 0. So the absolute value of 0 is 0. That is not positive. So the absolute value of a number is not always positive. Next, if A and B are larger than 0, and absolute value of A is less than absolute value of B, then which one is larger? It might be helpful to draw a number line. A and B are larger than 0, so they are on the right-hand side of 0. The absolute value of A is less than the absolute value of B, so A is closer to 0 than B. It will be like this. Observe the number line. You will find B is larger than A. On the other hand, if A and B are less than 0 and absolute value of A is less than absolute value of B, which one is bigger? Again, you could draw a number line. A and B are less than 0, so they are on the left-hand side of 0. The absolute value of A is less than absolute value of B, so A is closer to 0 than B. Observe the number line. You will find that A is larger than B. Please complete try it and check your answer with the link below.